In this video, we will see how to open and close a simple browser window using Selenium in our Python script. We will also see how to find different methods provided by the Selenium module and also how to use them. This will help us in future for using any other module of Python. For this video, I will be using Python shell to write code. So navigate to folder which we created in the previous video, that is hacking with Selenium. Press shift and right click, which will open up a menu. Click open command window here, which will open the command prompt at the folder's path. You can check that here. Type Python to open up Python shell. Now the question comes, how do I start coding? The answer is not very difficult. We should start with what we know. We know that we installed Selenium. So to use Selenium in Python, we just have to import that module. Let's import Selenium module. Type import Selenium. After pressing enter, if there are no syntactical errors, then it means we are successfully imported Selenium module inside our Python shell. Now let's have a look inside Selenium with the help function. Help function is a built-in function given to us by Python, which displays information about the argument we passed inside that function. The argument can be module, function, method, or even an object. Let's try this with our Selenium module. Type help and inside parentheses type Selenium. As you can see, it displays information like name, description, package content, version, and file. In the package content, we can see something like Webdriver. This is what we wanted all along. Inside parentheses, it's written package, which means this Webdriver is also a package which is present inside our Selenium package. So, to import Webdriver, which is in our Selenium package, we write from Selenium import Webdriver. Now let's see different methods present in Webdriver package. Type dir and in parentheses type Webdriver. Dir is also a built-in Python function that gives us all the methods that is inside the module. So as you can see, this returns us a list of all the methods present in the Webdriver module. We can see different methods like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, etc. For this lesson, we will use the Chrome method for demonstration. From this list, we will use Chrome. Let's have a look on Chrome with help function. Type help and in parentheses type webdriver.chrome. We can see it says here controls the Chrome driver and allows you to drive the browser. So just by reading this, we can piece it together that this method allows us to control a Chrome browser window entirely using your Python code, which is just amazing. We can see the arguments to be passed for the webdriver.chrome method. The first method is important as it includes executable path of the driver. Other arguments are optional. The help also says that webdriver.chrome will start the service and then create new instance of the Chrome driver. Let's try this. First, we write webdriver.chrome and inside the parentheses, we pass the path of the Chrome driver. As my Chrome driver is in the same folder as my code, I just have to write the name of the Chrome driver, that is chromedriver.exe. When we press enter, we see that it starts the service and also creates a session. As I haven't changed the name of the driver and also it's in the same folder as my code, I can create webdriver.chrome session without passing any argument. Now let's see how to store this session object in a variable so that we can further do something with the browser window using Python. We need to store this session. Let's write browser is equal to webdriver.chrome. Now the session is stored in browser variable. Let's have a look on different methods for the browser object. Can you remember how to do it? It was dir and in parentheses we pass the object name, that is browser. We can see methods like close, getElementById, etc. To open any website inside our WebDriver, there is a method named get. Let's have a look on how to use it. Type help and in parentheses browser.get. It says we have to pass a URL and it will load web page in the current browser session. Let's try this. Type browser.get and in parentheses type https://www.facebook.com. We successfully opened a website inside the driver. One thing you might notice is that although we have opened a browser window using Selenium inside Python, we haven't closed that particular window. Now let's try to exit the WebDriver. There is a method called close which will close the current window. Type browser.close and we can see the driver gets closed. In the next video, we will see how to hack Facebook. For now, try to learn different methods of browser object. Thank you.